Okay, Abraham's going to show us how to use this calculator, the plus and the minus buttons.
1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 4 equals 7.
Okay, what about subtraction?
1 minus 9 equals 8. Shouldn't make negative.
Oh, that is correct. 1 minus 9 equals minus 8 because you've gone all the way across to the other number. You wanted 8 minus 9 minus 1 equals 8.
Okay.
Okay, try that again. 9 minus 1.
9 minus 1 equals 8. And 6 minus 2 equals 4.
Okay, so that's how, and how do we clear it so
And
everything's starting again?
5 minus 3 equals 2.
Yeah.
And to clear it, press on slash C or CE. GT won't always work.
Okay, GT is a completely different thing which we're not talking about now.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that's how to use
On-
addition and subtraction.